Hello everyone. Today's tech news is Number 1. YouTube wants personal health stories to help combat misinformation. Surfacing good information is just as important as removing bad information, YouTube's head of public health partnerships said. Number 2. US issues sweeping restrictions on chip sales to China. Manufacturers will need a license to sell chips to Beijing. Number 3. Chainsaw Man's first episode hooked me with its gorgeously gory action. The Crunchyroll anime series kicks off with a bang, and plenty of blood. Number 4. What to expect from the Microsoft Surface launch event. The Surface Pro 9, Surface Laptop 5, and an update to its all-in-one computer could be unveiled at Microsoft's big October 12th event. Number 5. Splatoon 3's next Splatfest asks a difficult question. What's the best Pokémon type? Splatoon's next big Splatfest event is going to be an all-out battle to decide which Pokémon starter type reigns supreme. Number 6. Palmer Luckey's military firm is building loitering explosive drones. But do the drones constitute autonomous weapons? It's not clear. Thank you for watching. Subscribe FFFT for more tech news.